You definitely want to bring these out in stages, because early on we had a fellow that was putting his own clutch in, and he went to put one of these back together and took one screw and drove it all the way to the bottom and broke this little ear right off his clutch hub. So you definitely want to stagger those. Get that out of the way. Let's take this whole pack out. So now this clutch has been, God, I don't know how many seasons at the drag strip, at least 2 or 3 seasons at the drag strip. In a stock motor, it has been run hard, put away wet. Although I will say Tristan maintains it, the bike's been very well maintained, but nonetheless, and that clutch doesn't smell bad. None of the seal plates are burnt. It's actually all, I bet if we measure it, the stack up is probably still pretty good. That's a real testament. That stock clutch has held up very well for the abuse it's had and the time that it's been in there.